Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Settings. Tap Screen Time and authenticate with the Screen Time passcode or your Apple ID if requested. Once authenticated, make sure you see the graph and device name at the top. That confirms you're editing the right profile. If Screen Time was managed by Family Sharing, check Family Settings too. Once done, pause to back up to iCloud or Finder so settings can be restored if something goes wrong. This prevents losing important data while you remove restrictions. Now go into Content and Privacy Restrictions and either toggle the whole section off to cancel restrictions quickly or leave it on and open each subsection to be precise. For apps, open Allowed Apps and re-enable icons you want visible. For purchases and downloads, set Allow for installing apps and in-app purchases. For content, change ratings and web restrictions back to allow all or the desired level. Once you finish each area, the changes take effect immediately across the device. To complete, confirm restrictions are gone by restarting the iPhone and returning to Screen Time to verify settings persisted. If you cannot toggle off because you don't know the Screen Time passcode, use Change Screen Time Passcode, right arrow Forgot Passcode, and follow Apple ID recovery steps, or erase and restore from a backup that predates the restriction. If Family Sharing enforces limits, ask the organizer to adjust settings. If problems continue, reset all settings as a last resort step. It keeps data but clears preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.